Welcome on our channel QHSE Akbar Jillani. We are with a new video, Roles and Responsibilities of HSE Officers. In this video, we will discuss roles and responsibilities of HSE or Safety Officer. In a simple and easy way, whether you work as construction, oil and gas, manufacturing or any industry, these duties are essential for maintaining a safe workplace. So we divided these roles and responsibilities in 12 points. So now we are starting one by one. Risk assessment and hazard identification. As a safety officer, your first job is to identify hazards. You will perform inspection and complete GSA or GHA to make the job safe. Second, legal and company compliance. You ensure all work follows safety laws and company procedures. You maintain permit certifications and important safety documents. Then safety training. You conduct toolbox tasks, instructions, induction and refresher training. Your goal is to make sure everyone knows how to work safely. Fourth one, incident reporting and investigation. You report all incidents and near misses. You help in investigating incident and recommending corrective action. Emergency preparedness. You check emergency equipment like fire extinguisher and alarm. You also help conduct emergency drills. Planning the emergency drills and conducting the emergency drills. Workplace inspections. You regularly inspect tools, equipment, PPE and work area. You follow up any safety issue until they are fixed. Monitoring high-risk work. You monitor high-risk jobs like hard works, lifting, confined space and work at height. You make sure the permit to work system is followed. PPE management. You ensure workers use the right PPE and you train them on how to use it properly. Number 9. Documentation and reporting. You maintain safety records and prepare weekly or monthly safety reports. Coordination. You communicate with supervisor, contractor and management. You take part in HSE management and audits, meetings and audits. Safety leadership. You promote a strong safety culture and stop unsafe work whenever needed. Continual improvement. You update safety procedure and introduce new safety initiatives to improve workplace safety. These are the rules and responsibilities for the senior safety officers. The common safety officers, when they are working in a workplace, they just only conduct the inspections. And when they become mature, they inform the above roles and responsibilities are their duties. Because when you are newly appointed as a safety officer, you will do what your top management is giving you advice. Because you are newly appointed, so you are not so competent to doing all these performing their roles and responsibilities. If you have any comments regarding the video, please write this in your comments and we will reply to your comments. Thank you very much for watching the video. And please, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel. And if you are existing subscriber, please, we also have other videos. Please also watch the other videos to make your concept. Thank you very much and we'll see you with the new video. Bye bye.